Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are covering 25 must know NumPy interview questions and answers that will give you confidence to crack your next interview. Whether you are new to NumPy or brushing up your skill, this video is for you. Let's dive into in. First question is what is NumPy and why is it useful? NumPy is a Python library for numerical computation. It provides multidimensional arrays and tools for fast mathematical operations and making it the backbone of the data science and machine learning scientific programming. Key differences between NumPy array and Python list. NumPy array are homogeneous, meaning all elements must be the same data type. They are faster and more memory efficient compared to Python list, which is are of heterogeneous data type, and they are slower for mathematical tasks. How to create a NumPy array? Here is example creating NumPy array is a simple, and you have it as a NumPy array ready for your action. What is the shape and size of an array? The shape attribute gives the dimension of the array and size gives the total number of the elements. How to create arrays with zeros, ones, or empty values. For arrays of 0, you can use np zeros. For arrays of 1, you can use np ones. For arrays empty, you can use np empty. Next question is what is broadcasting? Broadcasting is a NumPy way of handling operation on arrays of different shapes by expanding the smaller arrays automatically. For example, how to do reshape of a NumPy array. Reshape is to change array shape without altering its data. For example, here NumPy array has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can reshape it as a 2 by 2 array. What is the significance of dtype attribute in NumPy arrays? Dtype specifies the data type of the element in an array. Example, we can specify 1, 2, 3 as data type float. Explain element wise operation in NumPy like addition, subtraction. Here is an example where we are adding two arrays, array 1 and array 2. What is the difference between NumPy array and NumPy as array? NumPy array creates an array while NumPy as array avoids creating a copy if the input is already an array. It's useful for optimizing the memory usage. How do you index and slice a NumPy array? Access specifies elements or subarray are like this. NumPy array and indexing it with 1 comma 0 it is giving 3 and indexing colon 2 comma 1 gives the 2 and 4 element which is the slicing. Explain difference between deep copy and shallow copy in NumPy. Shallow copy shares the data with the original arrays while a deep copy doesn't. So a deep copy does not have any modification with the original code. So it is created separately. How do you handle missing values in NumPy? We have np is nan to detect nan, not a number, and we can replace them with a value. What is the use of npvar? Npvar helps with the conditional operations like explain shown in the code. We can check where is the even and where is the odd number here with this npvar. How do you perform matrix multiplication in NumPy? We can use np dot numpy dot operator to do this element wise multiplication. What is the universal functions in NumPy? Can you provide an example? Universal functions are that operate element wise on array. Like here we can use sign operator for each element of that array. Question 17. How to split? What is the difference between NP dot and matrix multiplication. NP dot gives the general dot product, works for inner product and matrix multiplication, while NP mat multiplication specifies the used for matrix multiplication. What is the use of NP line? I'll provide an example. NP lineal provides linear algebra function like matrix inverse, determinant, etc. as shown in code snippet. How can you concatenate multiple NumPy arrays along a different axis? As shown in code snippet, we can concatenate two arrays with command concatenate two arrays. What are the performance benefits of using NumPy over regular Python list? NumPy are more efficient and faster for numerical computation as they are of fixed data types and doing the vectorized operation. How can you calculate the determinant and inverse of a matrix? In NumPy, we have determinant of A and inverse of A in line algebraic functions, so with which we can calculate determinant and inverse. Explain concept of strides in NumPy. Strides define the number of bytes to skip when traversing the array, which is basically for optimizing memory access. How can you optimize memory usage when working with large dataset in NumPy? We can use D-type and memory mapped arrays and avoiding unnecessary copies. How can you perform sorting and searching in NumPy? We have sort command. With that, we can sort the elements of that NumPy array. How do you handle multi-dimensional array in NumPy? What are some common operations? Common operation includes reshaping, slicing, matrix multiplication, axis-wise reduction, sum, mean, etc. And there are, you have it, all 25 essential NumPy interview questions and answers. I hope this video helps you feel confident in your NumPy skills. Let me know your favorite questions in the comment. And don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe for more this kind of a content. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thanks.